Hello students, welcome back to social science class. Today we are going to see second chapter, World in the 20th century. 20th century is a period that influenced world history greatly. Imperialism was developed from the capitalism which emerged in Europe after the Industrial Revolution. When capitalism developed into imperialism, it faced many crises. When imperialist power entered into mutual competition in order to conquer the world, conflict became widespread. The international problem which surfaced during this period caused mutual mistrust and enmity. The conflict among the imperialist power ultimately led to entire world to a war. You can see here map of the continent of Africa. You will see here most of the borderlines are straight. Why do the African countries share straight borderlines? The Europeans who reached Africa in search of natural resources partitioned the continent at the beginning of the 20th century. On the basis of some agreement, they divided the African nation amongst themselves by just drawing straight line on the map. Industrial Revolution. The changes which took place in England from 18th century onwards came to be known as Industrial Revolution. The basic feature of this was that human labor was substituted by machine. Capitalism, the economic system in which production and distribution are controlled by capitalists with the aim to increase profit. Imperialism, the practice of extending a nation's political, economic, and cultural dominance on other nations is imperialism. Colonization. Many nations produce more than they needed. The overproduction forced them to search of markets. This led competition. The European already had trade relation with Asia, Africa, and Latin American nations. European countries economically exploited these nations. Later, they became the colonies of European countries. This process is called colonization. Factors that forced the capitalist countries to begin production in their colonies in Asia and Africa: cheap labor, availability of raw material, low cost of manufacturing and selling of goods in colonies. How did imperialism affect the colonies? Traditional economic system of the colonies are destroyed. Administrative and judicial system were replaced. Colonies people were forced to cultivate cash crop instead of food crops. Cash crops means are grown for direct sale in market rather than for family consumption or feed livestock. Coffee, cocoa, tree, sugarcane, food, cotton, spices are some example of cash crops. Food crops such as rice, wheat, and corn are also grown as a cash crops to meet the global food demand. Poverty and unemployment increased. Natural resources were exploited. Indigenous art, literature, language, culture, and education system were destroyed. Indigenous art originating naturally in a particular place. Next is the First World War. A Serbian youth, Gavrilo Princip, assassinated Francis Ferdinand, the heir to the throne of Austria. Austria held Serbia responsible for it and declared war on Serbia on 28 July 1914. The Allied nations rushed to help their allies. Almost all the nations of the world, directly or indirectly, were involved on it. Therefore, this war is known as First World War. Causes of the First World War: military alliances. The Triple Alliances and Triple Entente were examples of military alliances. The competition led to conflicts among them and caused mutual distrust and enmity. The nation to signing the military alliances: Triple Alliances, Germany, Austria, and Italy. Triple Entente, England, France, and Russia. The formation of such alliances created a war atmosphere in Europe. They started manufacturing and buying lethal weapons. The second one, aggressive nationalism. The European nation used aggressive nationalism to invade other countries. Aggressive nationalists considered their own nation as the supreme and justified whatever be the action of their nation. The movement based on aggressive nationalism, pan-slave, pan-German revenge movement. Pan-slave movement. Russia wanted to unite the Slavic people of Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, etc. in Eastern Europe under a leadership. For this, the pan-slave movement was formed with the help of Russia. Pan-German movement. To establish dominance in Central Europe, Balkan provinces, German planned to unite the Teutonic people. This Pan-German movement came into being under the leadership of German. Teutonic people, Germanic peoples. Revenge movement. In 1871, German occupied Alsace-Lorraine. Alsace-Lorraine is a historical region now called Alsace-Moselle and located in France. Alsace-Lorraine, the territories that were under the control of France. To regain these territories, the revenge movement was formed under the leadership of France. Third one is imperialistic crisis. Imperialist rivalry drawn the European countries into several crises, among which the Moroccan crisis and Balkan crisis are considered to be important. Moroccan crisis. A secret treaty was signed between Britain and France. According to this treaty, Britain recognized the claim of France over the Morocco, but this was opposed by the Germany, which sent battleship to the Moroccan port. France agreed to transport a part of French Congo to Germany, and Germany agreed to concede Morocco to France in return. Thus, the problem was solved temporarily. Balkan crisis. Balkan region was situated in Europe and was a part of Ottoman Empire. When Austria led its claim over the Balkan region with the support of Germany, Serbia claimed this region with the support of Russia. Impact of the First World War. Over 10 million people lost their lives. Economic dominance of European diminished. Poverty, unemployment and inflation increased. Liberation movement in Asia and Africa strengthened. Agriculture, industry and communication system were destroyed. League of Nations was formed.